Hello everybody, what's good? My name is Toshiti. If you didn't know, now you know, and welcome to my channel. Today guys, I'm having ribs. Yeah, my Coke. Less sugar Coke. Okay, Lord, let us food be nourishment to my body. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen and amen and amen and amen. Okay, let's dig right into this. This looks so good. Please don't mind my nails. Don't even look at it. It's about to get messy in here. It's literally falling off the bone. It's falling off the bone. Yesterday, we threw a bridal shower for my sister-in-law to be. We threw a bridal shower for her. It was so nice, guys. I've never really been to a bridal shower before. It was really dope. I really enjoyed it. It was so much fun. We blindfolded her and when we had to go in the street, she had like this bride to be thingy on with a veil thingy, and then after that we put on a mask for her, and then she had to carry a bucket and go house to house or something like that, and asked him to put something in a pot something in the container for. We went in the streets. This is the first time I ever did something like this, and people were giving her wine. People were chilling outside, and then they would come and give her wine, and they would there were some ladies that put in potatoes. There was this one lady, she literally took flour and threw it all over her, and she also took an egg and smashed it on top of her head. I didn't want them to do these things to her, but I was like, okay, everyone was cheering it on, and I was like, okay, maybe this is just tradition or something that they do. So I just went with the flow with it too. I tried to stop her from breaking the egg, but she was so fast. And then she went and broke the egg right on top of her head. But I made sure that the hair still looks fine, even though she was a mess after all of that. Yeah, that was fun. And afterwards we were just chilling at the house, dancing, having fun. It was so nice. It was so nice. And I came home and then I slept. Let's go in for another one. This one is so meaty. Dope. This is the last one. Y'all. This is the last one. That was so good. Wow. Anyway, Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I also have some snacks, some Papa Bites. Alright, let's try and put them with more. There we go. Papa Bites. I put them at the shop down the street. This is a Mexican chili flavor. I like these thick ones. It's easy to make these yourself. You just flatten dough out and fry them when you put them in the oven. And then when it's done, you break them into pieces. I think. I tried making it once. No, I didn't try to make them. I accidentally made them. And it came out good. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.